we present you a new video. I hope it will be useful. If you don't want to miss other interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. BMW 1 Series Rear Shock Absorber Replacement. Many times shock absorbers create discomfort when driving as well as instability and noises. In this case, you draw the conclusion. Remove the wheels. Here are the problems. On the right rear side, the upper shock absorber support is damaged, and on the left side the shock absorber is broken near the lower base. Use a penetrating oil spray to loosen the screws. Loosen the fixing screws of the lower support. Remove the lower support. It is necessary to remove the inner side trims. Remove the rear part of the trunk. This is the mounting nut of the rear shock absorber upper support. Remove the nut and remove the shock absorber. The new rear shock absorber is produced by TRW and has the number of parts JGT1168S. The lower support for the shock absorber used is produced by Febi and has the part number 34393. The upper bracket for the shock absorber is produced by Febi and has part number 109528. Install the new parts. I will also replace the upper buffer support with an original one that has the part number 3352,664,418. Mount the new shock absorber in its position. Tighten the fixing screws. Use a jack to place the shock absorber in working position. Tighten the fixing nut of the upper shock absorber support. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. Do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.